My favourite thing about the course is probably the community that is in this building.
The variety of different things we learn about that will help us into going into the public services in the future.
You get to try loads of different techniques that you normally wouldn't.
There's way much more freedom.
The thing about the course is most probably the practical side of it.
The college has really put a lot of effort into making sure that we do have really good products here to use.
I like how nice and helpful the teachers are.
So my tutors are really supportive.
He will do everything that he can to help you to get that.
They fit in and they're one of us.
Really easy to get along with.
Having them to sort of keep your head focused is really good to make sure you can achieve the best that is possible for you.
The tutors, you can ask for any better tutors, to be fair. They're always there to help, even if you're not at college, you send them an email, they'll get back instantly.
We have one-to-ones every couple of weeks just to make sure that we're okay and that we're happy with our progress.
So next year I'm going to study history at the University of Birmingham.
I plan to go do a foundation year.
I'm planning to uni to do international relations with languages.
So I've got an electrical job to carry on straight after this course finishes.
After foundation, I'd like to go on to a degree in archaeology.
So next year I'll be moving on to do the level 3 hairdressing.
So yeah, I'm really excited about going to Seville and working out there.
I'm now a professional footballer at Stevenage Football Club.
In September, I'm off to go and volunteer with primary school children in Borneo.
Recently found a place that can do a degree in guitar.
I've come to college and I just completely flourished. I turned into the person I think I was supposed to be.
I think they've been the best 2 years of education that I've had throughout my life so far.